that's the stuff. Was that a little too dramatic? Whatever, man. Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As you can tell, we are in a brand new studio, so if you haven't seen my social posts, I actually just purchased my first house, and we've converted this entire basement into my brand new studio. I'll definitely be giving you guys a full room tour once this is all done. Again, I have to paint that back wall gray because a bunch of you guys voted gray for the background. But in this video, we are gonna be unboxing this bad boy here, the YouTube silver play button for 100,000 subscribers. Stay tuned, there is gonna be a giveaway in this video. Let's roll that B-roll. And there we go, the glamorous 100,000 subscriber silver play button from YouTube. I wanted to thank every single one of you guys for helping support this channel and subscribing. We would have not gotten here without you. And again, this is the biggest achievement this channel has ever seen. I am just so hyped to have this thing in my hands, and it is most definitely going to be going in our brand new studio background here. With that being said, I want to tell you guys what I have planned for the future. So when I originally created this channel, I really just wanted to share my thoughts on knives. And it's kind of like the main source of content in terms of knives, and I'm known for reviewing knives nowadays, but I really want to diversify the type of content that I'm creating. We're going to be jumping into vlogs, more knife reviews, of course, I'm not going to be dropping that. We'll get into more EDC gear, some of those pew-pews, and of course, any other tech products that I really do enjoy. You guys see me as an EDC enthusiast, but I am also a huge tech nerd. So prepare for 2022. There's going to be a bunch of diversified content, and then you guys will be seeing a little bit more of the sponsored posts as well. This is really going to help me get into full-time content creation and then make this YouTube channel a full-time hustle. So I'm guessing you guys are curious on what the 100,000 subscriber giveaway is, right? We're going to go ahead and start from the least valued item and then go all the way up to the top. Now, this giveaway is brought to you by Urban EDC Supply, and they have been so kind enough to send out all these products in one EDC kit, so there will be one winner. If you guys are interested in taking a look at their products, I will be leaving an affiliate link in the description below. They've got a ton of really cool stuff, and most of the stuff that they sell is going to be a limited production item. So the first thing on the list is going to be this really cool Kpl Knife Maintenance Kit. You get an original bottle of Kpl, a Kpl microfiber cloth, as well as these applicators. These applicators are super convenient, so that way if you want to lube your knife, you don't have to take apart the entire thing. It's kind of like a really micro-sized Q-tip, and it's really convenient. The next thing on this list is going to be this really cool Anchor Challenge coin. This is a Voxnez Urban EDC exclusive, and this one is number 216, and you've got an f5.5 here engraved. Next up is going to be this really cool flashlight from Prometheus Lights. This is the Beta QR V2, and it is really cool because it does have 3 different modes that you can actually scroll through. It's super compact in size. You can carry it in pocket, in a pouch if you wanted to throw it into your backpack. It just fits really well on your person. This one does have a keychain loop, so if you do want to throw it with your keys, it's not too heavy. And what I really do like about this flashlight is it does have a super dim mode here. What that really helps out with is if you're in a really dark environment, it doesn't overpower whatever you may be reading or looking at. It just keeps it nice and mellow. This is a really cool flashlight, and I do have the nickel version of this that I'm carrying right now, and this will be included in the kit. The next thing on the list is going to be this really cool KMNT Onzo pry bar. This does have the breaking waves pattern engraved, and it also does have a really cool micarta inlay. This thing is not cheap, guys, especially for a chunk of metal and micarta. Of course, I did have to get a pen for you guys. This is the Tactile Turn Side Click pen. This is the brass version, and I absolutely love my first tactile turn pen. This is going to be no exception. It's super fidget friendly, looks super nice, has a really nice texture here, so you do get a grip when you go to write something. And this will be a pretty sweet pen to add to your collection. Next up on the list is going to be this really cool EDC Organizer from Urban EDC Supply. You'll be able to store every single one of these prizes inside this thing, and then you can feel free to throw this in your pocket, your coat pocket, your backpack. This will just keep everything nice and secure. This thing is going to be made of genuine leather, and it has a nut brown finish. Next up, we have the JW Knives V1 Carry Driver. This is going to be the satin titanium finish. This thing is really cool because you can fit them in pouches and your pocket really easily, or even on your keychain, and you can unscrew the top of this and it does store additional WIA bits. I believe you can store up to 3 of them, included with the magnetically attached bit driver at the top, and this just makes it so that you can carry around some torque sets without it just flopping around everywhere. This thing is pretty sweet, and I believe I'm gonna pick one up myself as well. Last but not least, we have the knife. This is the Grissom Knife and Tool Riverstone. Now, this is an exclusive knife from Urban EDC Supply. We have number 99 that is going to be given away. This guy is made of M390 blade steel. It is a titanium frame lock, and it is kind of like a medium-sized knife. I think this is going to be a super modern design. It has a flipper tab for deployment, and so far it feels really good in the hand. You guys are really going to enjoy this. Whoever wins this thing is going to be super lucky. Again, this is going to be a premium knife. With that being said, I believe the total value of this kit is going to be anywhere between $800 to $1,000, and one lucky person is going to win all this stuff. If you want to double your chances into winning something, Urban EDC Supply is actually going to be doing a giveaway on their website. So every $100 spent is going to be an entry into that $1,000 gift card giveaway. Again, guys, I will be leaving a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. And then any other products they have available. They usually do launch really cool limited stuff on Wednesdays, so you guys might want to follow them on Instagram as well. Now, how are you guys going to enter? The first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and leave a comment. Tell me what your current EDC loadout is and what you would like to see in the future for this channel. If you guys want to go ahead and add in your Instagram handle, go for it. That'll actually help me get in contact with you faster. And one last thing, just so you know, if you spam the crap out of the comments and put multiple comments there, YouTube will automatically recognize that it is a spam comment and they will delete all of the comments that you post. So just try to do one entry per person. This will keep the odds in favor to everyone and make it fair to everyone as well. I want to do one last thank you guys, the 100K plaque. This thing is now going to be my baby. That is until we hit the 1 million subscriber mark. Let's see how fast we can get there, and I really hope that we can go full time and start doing this on a daily basis. If you're not subscribed already, feel free to browse my other videos. I really hope that I've earned your guys' subscriptions, and then you can judge it from there. Stay tuned for 2022 because there's gonna be a ton of stuff lined up. I'm super hyped for it. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today, and I hope you have a great one. Peace out.